Dennis Emmanuel Brown was born on 1 February 1957 in Kingston, Jamaica, into a large tenement yard between North and King Streets. His father, Arthur, was a respected actor, journalist, and scriptwriter, and his family environment nurtured early performance instinct. He lost his mother in the 1960s, which deepened his emotional connection to music as solace and expression. By age 9, Dennis was singing in public, standing on beer crates during performances with Byron Lee and the Dragonaires at community events. A standout invitation at Kingston's Tit for Tat Club saw him perform with the Falcons, leading to his discovery by Studio One's Clement Coxzone Dodd. At 11, Dennis recorded his debut single and album, No Man is an Island, planting the first seeds of a legendary career. Studio Teenage star to Roots Innovator, 1970s. Between ages 12 and 14, he recorded If